In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect 5.1 speakers to amplifier. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a set of 5.1 speakers and you want to connect them to an amplifier, this will involve matching the outputs on the amplifier to the inputs on your speakers using speaker wire. So I'm going to give you a general guide on how to do it. Of course, the very first thing that you should be aware of is the positioning of the speaker system. I'm not going to go into too much detail about this. You can position them however you prefer, but the positioning can have a big impact on the audio quality, so keep all of that in mind. Once you figured out the positioning, the main thing is identifying the speaker outputs on your amplifier. So look on the back of your amplifier. You should see terminals labeled for different channels of a 5.1 system. So front left and front right, center, surround left and surround right, and then subwoofer, which is most likely going to be labeled as sub or LFE, typically an RCA output. Next, identify the speaker inputs on your speakers. So each of your passive speakers, front left and right, center, surround left and right, will have two terminals, one for positive and one for negative. They are usually spring clips or binding posts. Your active subwoofer will typically have an RCA input, and now all that you need to do is use the speaker wire to connect the amplifier to the passive speakers, so you connect them together in the proper order. The thickness of the wire depends on the distance between the amplifier and the speakers, so for shorter distances under 50 feet, 16 gauge wire is usually sufficient. For longer distances, use 14 gauge or thicker. Cut the speaker wire to the necessary lengths for each speaker, strip about ½ inch of insulation from both ends of each wire, exposing the bare copper strands, and twist the exposed strands of each wire tightly to prevent fraying. Match the polarity and connect the amplifier. And as long as you position them in the correct order, you will be good to go using Surround 5.1. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect 5.1 speakers to amplifier. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.